Hey guys, today we're working on something a little different. We got a BMW X3 and F25. Today we're going to be replacing that start-stop button. We just got a little cheapy one here from Amazon. Let's see what she does. It came with some goo that we're going to put over it, and then we're going to let it sit for a minute, and then we're going to pop it off. So, without further ado, let's see what we can do. Came with this goo here, so we're just gonna let that sit there. And they say, my goodness gracious, everything's going. So they say it sits there, and then you should be able to just pull it out, just like that. Okay. Now, I didn't put too much stock into it because they say a lot of things. We got our new button here. In. Uh-oh. Didn't fit right. I don't know what I did here. There we go. Well, apparently it works. Because it's... First it went in, it didn't come out, so, but there we go. Hey, look at that. It works. Made a believer out of me. So that was all of 2 minutes for start stop button with 1 minute of that trying to bounce the camera. So super easy. There we go. On and off. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please give us that thumbs up. And subscribe. And all the things. We will see you next time, guys. Appreciate it.